Alright everybody, you don't know say this killer this again, right? No smiling matter, but still, you know have to keep a good face. The policeman, them a try to keep control of the taxi men. The taxi man them where I do a protest against some new law where I run the road for the whole traffic, you know, the whole traffic law act. Look on this one, go on first. Observe.
Forgot man.
Police bust up the man's face over the little argument. Now the man them angry, you know, cause obviously the man them a talk about some things in the traffic law act thing what go on. You see me? You see me? Because here what happen now? The traffic law, they make the law them must be something like about 90 odd law, and when them go about 60 of them correct after, and then when them go on the checking because they forgot our next place where, but they remember exactly where name, but this our way to go pass, right? And them do about 20 or maybe about 6 more changes, me should I say, right? One of the things them where me agree with these taxi man is that some of the things them in it not really make sense. You know what I mean? Like this, for instance, a man a drive without license, I get charged for $2,000 or something like that. Check that now, $2,000 or $3,000. But yet still, the man will have a license and him not have it to present at the time when the police stop him. I get charged 5. Now you tell me which one worse? The man will have him in license there in yard put on, or the one who not have none at all. So the one who not have none at all, I get less charges. And here's another thing again now. I agree with this with the new traffic law act now is when them say that the owner of the vehicle, right, are go responsible for some charges if the fault of the vehicle is the owner's fault, which is true because some of the owners them careless. Them call the taxi man, give him the taxi for run, and at the same time the car have a bigger problem. So them fi get charged too. Yeah, not two. Them fi get charged. Or if you want me to, you can be too. You understand? So I just saw it go, and you know the protest of them a protest. We know them a protest for a whole heap of different reasons, but at the same time, you don't know the thing already. You know, it not change. you coulda deal. Nah, go change so easy. You see? Boy, man. Anyways, if you need to know more what go on, you don't know you have to click the subscribe button. As always, you see me, and always remember. Right, I want to check out my new website, you know, seriousskilla.blog. You know the thing, right? Don't be afraid to look it up, you know. If you want to get the real videos, then we're uncut. Seriousskilla.blog, alright? My name is Skilla, and that was Skilla's Entertainment.